One thing I can show you over here on the filters that comes in handy once you have a lot of documents is you can actually, if you want to search for documents that are in an active signing process, you can do that. It's going to narrow things down. If you have some of these, like if you want to see all the documents that were created, last month, I don't know that there are any in here, but I say last quarter. This is my test account, so this month. But you can see that things can be filtered down to where when you have, a couple hundred forms in there, it can make things a little bit easier to find. You can also sort them by the date modified or by document names. Okay. And then any stage. So if you want things that are, just your archive documents, you can find those, or completed documents. I don't have any in here. E-signature. Okay. So the filters, you can create different filters as well. And then up here, you can, same thing. If I just want to see anything that that's named letter of intent or has letter of intent in there, I can find it that way.
What is this mark settled on the filter?
So Mark is actually my my contact at Legito, and he like I said, this cab is all one account, so you can actually show all the different users. So Mark and Chris Green, he uses that. Matt Coletta, Eric Landis are both members of cab. I mean, if I typed in, Bob, you could see Bob Brooks comes up. So you can find a user if you want to share. Let's say you're co-brokering or co-listing with somebody. You can type in their name and bring and share. If they're a user in here, then you can share documents with them and things of that nature. So
you can create folders or something? It's like creating folders?
Not really. I mean, it doesn't create folders, but it's not going to let you, like right now, if I clicked on Matt, it's not going to show me Matt's records unless he had shared some with me. Okay, so if you're co-brokering with somebody and they have a representation agreement or something that they've shared with you, you can select their name or you can search for their name and click on that, filter that, and it'll only show you those documents that they've shared with you. But if not, like right now in this account, even if I click on my own name, I don't think anything comes up because the name on my test account is Brandy Broker. So everything here is under Brandy Broker. Okay. So it's just a way that if you can, if you are co-brokering or sharing with somebody, or again, if you're in an office where the broker is the managing broker has to approve all documents, then those documents are all being shared with the managing broker. So in that case, if they want to see one agent's documents, they can enter the name of that agent and they'll be able to select, just that one agent's documents to filter everything down. Just helps you find what you're looking for easier.
Okay.
Okay. But if you're just a solo practitioner broker, then you probably, or an agent, that is not sharing documents with somebody else, then you're not gonna have a need for this. It's not gonna do really anything for you. You wouldn't have any of their documents unless you're co-brokering.